Hi everyone, Mr. Zaki with you and with my student in level 2, Mawhiba or Qiyas Mawhiba in level 2. Okay, please don't open your mic. So we want to read. Okay, now Fatima Sayyid Nasser, can you read the questions here? Number one, please, we want to solve the question together.
If Ali's share is double Ahmed's share and the total sum of their shares is 48,000 real Saudi Riyal, then what is Ali's share?
Yes. Can you tell me any idea to solve this problem? Can you tell me how I solved this problem? Do you have any idea, Fatima? You are in level 3, right?
Level 2.
Level 2, really? Okay, go ahead. Now, number 1. Okay, do you have any idea? Okay, I help you here. Look here. If Ali's share a double Ahmed, so how many shares I have here? How many shares? Now Ali is double, so 2 for Ali. Ahmed is for Ahmed is 1. So how many shares I have, Fatima? How many? Hello, where are you? I have 3 shares, right? And the total sum their share is 84,000. Only you divide it. 84,000, we find 1 share only, divided by 3. So when I divide by 3, the answer is what? 28,000, right? 28,000, right?
Right.
So each share is 28,000. Each part, we find 1 part, 28,000. So now, what is Ali's share? Ali's shares is double. So we multiply by what? Fatima, we multiply by what? By 2, right? Correct. So the answer is
56,000.
yes, 56, correct. Do you understand, Fatima, how I do it?
Yes.
Yes, right. Do you have any questions here, my student? Arif, do you know now how I solved this problem?
Yes, I know.
Yes, Al-Ma'mum, Fatima, Zuhair, do you know? If you have any questions, tell me, please. Okay? Okay, now we will go to number 2. Okay, go ahead, Zainab Ismail. Number 2, please read. And I want to explain. I want to give me any idea to solve the problems.
Okay, there are 3 cows which
Yes,
produce 4 buckets of milk in 5 days. Then in how
right.
many days can 6 cows produce 8 buckets of milk? So I think they mean by 3 they multiply it by 6, so it would be double it. So we're going to have to find double of the days.
Yeah, so can you write it? You have a pen, I think. Can you write? And I want to solve
I
and
don't
I
have a
want to show me.
I don't have a pen.
You don't have a pen? Okay. I show you how I solved this problem. I think it is easy. What do you think? What is the answer, Zainab?
I think it's 5, but I'm not sure.
You don't know? Yes, it is right. Yes, the answer is 5. But how I know? Look here. If I want to solve this problem, the question said there are 3 cows. They are 3 cows. So this subject here, cows, I put it here, cows, which produces 4 buckets milk. So I put here buckets here, or object we put here 3 cows, yeah, produce 4 buckets, put here 4 buckets of milk in 5. We also, the first thing is days, we put it 5 here. Then another sentence said, then in how many days? He asked me about the time. So I put it here, X, 4 days. And can 6 cows, we put 6 cows here, produces 8 buckets, we put it 8 buckets. So how I find X here? Only I think you multiply by 3 quantity, this 5 times 8 times 3, and divided by 2 quantities that represent 2x. So x equals, we multiply 5 times 8 times 3 divided by 6 times 4. So now we get the answer. Look here. Now, how I do with this problem? We simplify. By 4 it's 2. By 4 is 1, right? Also, we divide it, simplify. By 3 is 1. By 3 is 2. And we multiply 5 times 2, it is 10, divided by 2. So the answer is 5. Good job, Zainab Ismail. Right. The answer is going to be 5 is D. Do you understand, my student? Do you want to explain again?
Yes.
Do you understand? Fatima, Zuhair, Arif, Jude, Muhammad, Zahra.
Teacher, can you explain?
Yes, teacher, I understand.
Easy.
Yeah, it is easy. Do you want to change to explain again, please?
Can you please explain?
Yeah, I will be explain fastly, so and brief. Here we have 3 cows. We write it 3 cows produces 4 buckets milk, and in 5 days. He asked me about how many days if we put it 6 cows and produces 8 buckets of milk. How many days? We didn't know. So we arrange cows, put it 3, bucket 4, days 5, and 6, 8 eggs. We multiply 3 quantity, 5 times 8 times 3, divided by 6 times 4. Then we simplify and we get the answer is 5. Right?
Yes.
Okay, that's fine. Good. Okay, now we will go to number 3. Please be attention because level 2 is difficult sometimes for some problems. So I want to be attention and I want to be know everything here. Okay, now we will go to Abdullah. Where are you, Abdullah? Can you read this problem, Abdullah? Number 3.
Yes, I can. Just
Yalla,
wait.
okay, read, and
Yes.
I want to explain. If you have any idea, I want to tell me how I solve this problem.
Okay. In the square ABCD, the value of the angle Y equals. So they want us to get the value of ABCD, but and they also want us to get the value of Y, which is the arc of E.
What do you think? Yeah.
So if I'm right, the 3 x's represent acute angles which are what, for 30 degrees maybe.
Where 30 degrees? Why you said 30 degrees here?
No, the
Why?
x's are 30 degrees because
Why?
they are acute and they can't be 45 because they're too small, and I think they're 30, and so we get this arc since it is on the other side.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe we multiply it by
Yeah.
we multiply it by
Yeah. Good job. Right. Each angles in the square is right angle. What's
yes,
right angle? How
90
many
degrees.
Yeah,
90.
90 degrees, right?
Yes.
Each angles in the square is 90. So
Mhm.
we divide it by 3. We have
Yes.
3x equals 90. So each x equals what? 90 divided by 3. Then it is what? It is 30. So
Yes.
that's what we can say. It is 30, correct? Now,
Yes.
what about A? A is called also 90.
Yes, it is
So now
90.
we want y here. You have two solutions here,
Mhm.
two steps. We know that's y equals, because this outside of the angle, of the
Yes.
triangle. Look here, of the
Yes.
triangle. Yeah,
Yes.
so this exterior angle, you know exterior angle?
No.
Exterior angle that equals the two angles that's far away from it. So y equals 30 plus 90. So the answer is 120. 100, 120.
20.
Because
Yes.
it's exterior angle. Okay, if you don't know exterior angle, okay, I will try it for this triangle. This triangle equals 180. Look, equals 180. And we have 390. It is we subtract from 180, then we get 60. So the
Yes.
third angle here will be what? 60. Can you tell me, Abdullah, here? Can you tell me, Abdullah, what's the angle this here? This 4 line? Can you tell me this
Screen
angle?
line.
Yeah, straight line. Yeah,
Yes.
straight line
This
equals what?
180 degrees.
Yeah, 186 degrees, right? So
Yes.
I know now 60, and you subtract, then y equals 180 minus 60. It is what? It is 20. 120, right?
Yes. Yes.
120, right? This another way. Yeah, do you understand now how I get this answer?
Yes.
Yes, that's fine. Thank you, Abdullah.
You're
My
welcome.
student, yeah, my student, do you know how I solved this problem, my student? Maybe I think difficult for you or easy.
Easy.
It is easy, right? Good. Jude Al-Musin, do you know how I solved these problems?
Yes.
Yes, that's fine. Good job. Okay, thank you, Abdullah, and good job. Perfect, Abdullah. Okay, we will go to another questions, number 4, with Al-Ma'mum, Mustafa. Where are you, Al-Ma'mum? Al-Ma'mum?
Yes.
Yes, okay. Can you read this question, number 4, please? And I want to give me any idea to solve these problems.
Salim paid 40% of his salary for the house rent and 30% for the expenses. He has 2,700 reals left. Then what is Salim's salary?
Yeah. Now he asked me about what is Salim's salary. Do you have any idea?
No.
Oh, man, no problem. So Salim paid what? How many percent paid?
40% of his
40%.
salary.
His salary from the house rent, this for house, and also 30% for the expense. Now, what is the remainder? What is the balance? What is the remainder here? Because the salary will be 100%, right? Minus
Yes.
that Salim, what is spent? Spend 40% and also what? 30%. So what is the left? What is the remainder here? So 100 minus what? Minus 70%. So what is the left now? What is the remainder, Mamoon?
100 minus 70.
Yeah, what is it? 30%, right?
30%, yes.
Yeah, the remainder now 30%. This 30% is the left now. The left is 30%. The remainder is 30%. So represent what? Represent 2,700. So
Yes.
I write 30%, 30 of 100 of X of salary equals 2,700, like this. So now I want to find X. Because this 2,700 is a remainder of 30%. That's represent of 30% from his salary. So now how I solve this problem? Can you tell me, anybody tell me how I solve it? Aribka, do you have any idea?
Teacher, I know.
You know
I actually
Muhammad
answered
Muteri?
this. I
Yes,
answered
Muhammad
this.
Muteri. Okay,
Yeah,
tell me.
I answered this.
Yeah, okay.
So since I know that 40% plus 30% equals 70%.
Yeah,
That means that 2,700
yeah,
reals is 30%. So that means the 30% for the expenses will be the exact same. So now 2,700 plus 2,700 would equal to 54,000 to 5,400.
yeah,
So that will be 60% of the salary is 5,400. So
yeah,
since we know that, we need to minus 20% to find out the 40%.
yeah.
And if we minus 20% and 10% of 5,400 equals to 540. So that means 54,000 minus 1,800 would then that means it'll be 3,600.
Yeah,
3,600. So 3,600 plus 5,400 would equal to 9,000.
right, correct. Get this another way, another step. Thank you, Muhammad Muteri.
Yeah, I
Muhammad
don't
It was
understand.
really
the
easy,
problem
actually.
with another way.
It was
Okay.
easy.
Now I want to solve this problem. I multiply by the 10 over 3. Also, you multiply by 10 over 3. Then you simplify it. Then X equals 2,700. We simplify with the 3. Look here. When I simplify with the 3, also here, the 3 will be 900. 900 times 10 is 9,000. So the salary is 9,000. Okay? Do you see? Halat, do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
Ah, really? Okay. If you want to solve in another way, okay, I give you. You can.
Teacher, I won't understand.
Well, you misunderstand, Zahra?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Okay. No problem. I will try it to another way. I want to solve this problem in another way. Okay. Look, another way without equation. We want to know everything. Okay. Now, look here. Okay. I give you a space to solve the problem. Look now, the salary will be how many percent will be? 100%, right?
30%.
Right? Yes. Salim paid 40%. This 40%. And for rent, for the house rent. And 30%. This 30%. Also spend 30%. Now, what is the left? What is the remainder here? Can you tell me, Sahra?
Yes.
What is it? What is the remainder?
30.
No, will be 30. Because when you add 40 plus 30 plus 30 is 100, right?
Yes.
This 30%, this 30% represent to what? Here, 2,000.
Represent 2,700.
Right, right. Now we want complete to 100%. Okay, no problem. This 30%, and also with both 30%, 2,700, and both also 30% plus 2,700. Now this 90%, right? And you add
Yes.
2,000, 6,000. When you add, it is, I think, put it, this 1,007 will be when?
8,100.
8,100? Yes. Yeah, and we want to find also 10%. 10% will be, so the salary will be more than 8,100, right? Will be more thousand. So because we need also 10%, so the answer will be what? Is A, right?
Okay, thank you. Yes.
Yeah. Do you understand now? Now this,
Yes.
without equation, I solve only with your mind. Okay. Oh yeah. Okay, Zahra.
Yes, Mr. Funke.
Yeah, thank you very much. Now we will go to, okay, with Arif. Arif, okay, can you read number 5, please? I want to give me also any idea how I solve this problem. Don't worry, I help you, but I want to think how to solve the problems in Mawhiba. Okay, go ahead, Arif.
If we need 3 sticks of matches to form one triangle, 5 sticks to form 2 adjacent triangles, and 7 sticks to form 3 triangles, then how many sticks are needed to form 37 triangles?
Yeah. What do you think? I give you any idea, small idea I give you. Look here. He want a triangle. Look, this triangle. Now, this triangle. This the first triangle. We have 3 sticks. Okay? Or 3 sides. 3 sticks. Now we want to draw another one. Only we need what? How many sticks we need to complete? How many, Arif? We need
2.
only 2, right?
Yeah.
To find the second triangle. Now I want also to draw the third one. This the third one. Look, we need also 2, right? The fourth one. How many sticks I need to draw the triangle?
2.
2, right? So each triangle I need only 2. Only I have the first triangle, I have 1. So how many, he asked me, how many 37 triangle? So only you multiply 37 multiply by
2.
what? 2. And plus what?
1.
1, right, correct. And plus 1. So what's the answer? 37 times 2 is 74 plus 1.
Can I go next?
75.
Yes, 75, correct.
Can I answer question 6?
Yeah. Do you understand? Okay, Arif. Do you understand, Arif?
Yeah, I did.
Yeah,
Can I
how
answer
you
question
get
6?
it this point? You get it this point, Arif?
Yeah, I did.
Yes, that's fine. Okay, who asked me? Zahra?
Me, Zahra. Can I answer
Yeah.
question 6?
Yes, you have question. Okay, no problem.
No, I just have a question. Can I answer question 6?
Numbers, yeah, okay.
Can I have
Now,
question 7?
yeah, okay, no problem. All of you will be read and the questions.
I can
Okay,
have
now
8.
go ahead, Zahra.
Okay. Okay. The sum of 5 successive integers equals 30. Then find the median of these numbers. So what I did, I did 30 divided by 5, which would be 6.
So what I will do here?
I did 30 divided by 5, which is 6.
Yeah, you are 30 divided by what?
5.
By 5. Then,
The answer is 6. B.
yeah, the answer is B, right. He asked me the sum of 5 successive integers equals 30. Then find the median. When I want to find the median, only you divide it. 30 divided by 5 is 6. So now what are the other numbers, Zahra? Can you tell me what are the other numbers? When you sum and you get 30, can you tell me?
30.
This,
Oh, okay.
yeah,
10 and 3.
yeah, 5, 6, 7, and
7.
4,
4.
also here,
Oh, 8.
8, right? So this the 5 numbers, the 5 successive number integers equals when you add them or when you combine them and you get 30, right? This
Yes.
30. So
Yeah,
the median,
and
what is
then
the
you scratch out 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 7, and 8, and then you get 6. That's
yes,
number 1.
right, good job, good job. Thank you, perfect, Sarah. Okay, now the next
Can I answer?
question. Yes, Jude. Okay, I am happy to answer the question number 7. Go ahead,
The
Jude.
value of the sum 24.5 over 7.5 minus 1 over 15 minus 48
Yeah.
over 15 equals 0.
Equal 0, how? How? How do you know 0?
It's because if we multiply 24.5 times 2,
Yes. Why you put multiply by 2? Why? Here in the subtraction and addition for fraction, you must put the denominator the same.
yes.
If I have 1 over 2 plus 3 over 4, so what's the answer here? Is it correct to put 4 over 6? Is it correct? No.
No.
Why?
No.
So because different denominator. So you must put the same denominator here. You multiply here by what? By 2 and here by 2.
By 2.
Right. Then 2 over 4 plus 3 over 4, then the answer is 5 over 4. So the same also in subtraction. If I have a 3 over 5, look here, I give you, I want to know everything, how to solve the problem. If I have a 3 over 5 minus 1 over 3. So how? What is the result here? Is it correct to put 2 over 2? Is it correct?
No.
No. Why? So
We have to
you
find the common denominator.
you put it the same denominator. So you need to subtract. So you must put the same denominator. So the denominator is 15, and the 3 times 3 is 9, minus 5 equals 4 over what? Over 15. Right? Correct.
Yes.
So
Yeah.
only multiplication. What about the multiplication? If I have multiplication like this, I give you also another example for multiplication and division. Okay, this when I have 2 over 5 multiply by 3 over 6. What do you think? Is it need to put the same denominator?
No.
No, we don't need in multiplication and division. So you can multiply directly or you simplify. When you simplify, divided by 2, and here also divided by 2 equals be 3.
3
Or you
out of
multiply. Yes. This now also 3 with the 3. Then you multiply. 1 times 1 is 1. 5 times 1 is what? Is 5.
5.
Right?
Yes.
Or you multiply direct. Okay. What about the multiplication or division? In division, if I have 2 over 5 divided by 3 over
7.
over like so I am sorry, please. I am sorry because the Zoom, I don't know what's the problem. Maybe Hank will be. Okay, now what I will do here, now in
You
this.
said that 24.5 times 2 and 7.5 times 2.
Yes, it is 49 divided by 15.
15 minus 1 over 15 minus 48 out of 15.
Yes, right.
It's
So
going to be
the answer,
49 minus 49.
right, correct.
And then
49.
0.
Then will be,
The answer is 0.
the answer is 0 over what? Over
15.
Right, correct. That's fine. Good. So the answer is what?
15.
Is 0.
0.
Right. We finish now the first video because we don't want to be a long video. Thank you very much, my student, and good luck for your life. Have a nice time.